The Scorpion-X1 has officially entered service. This advanced tactical platform integrates high-speed flight with the mobility of a specialized ground unit. Its design features 4 hydraulic legs engineered for landing on unstable terrain and vertical surfaces, allowing it to function as a stationary surveillance post in any environment. Built with multi-layer radar-absorbent materials and high-efficiency twin engines, it is designed to operate undetected by modern defense systems. The integrated tail system provides 360-degree precision strike capabilities. A new era in aerospace engineering is now operational. The mission begins.